This isn't just a building. It's part of your community, your environment, your life. It's a type of place where you teach your children, find answers, experience history. So we think it's more than just a building. It's where you build your life, day by day, brick by brick, from the ground up. Building a place for life to happen is no small task. It takes a lot of planning, dedication, expertise, experience. You may not stop and admire this building, or think about everything that had to happen for it to be here, but that's okay. We didn't design it to get your attention. We built it to complement your community, to keep you safe, to fit your life, so you can focus on building the things that matter most.